Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to our math read aloud for today. So remember, we are still working on measurement, and today's story is going to be focusing on weight. So when we talk about weight, we want to know how heavy something is. So something that would be heavy would be like an elephant, or weights, like something you have to have big muscles to carry. Or things can be light, meaning that it's easy to carry, like a flower or feather. So let's go ahead and we'll get started on our book for today. It is called Mighty Maddie by Stuart J. Murphy and illustrated by Bernice Lum. Madeline Grace, this room is a mess and your party starts in 2 hours. There are toys everywhere. Mom was right. There were toys in the living room, toys in the kitchen, and toys in the front hallway. There were even toys in the bathroom. Teeny and Jumbo don't have to pick up after their toys, said Maddie. Dogs and cats don't know any better, said Mom. But you do. You're a big girl now. Come on, Maddie, said Dad. I'll help. I'll carry the heavy things up to your room and you can carry the light things. But then you have to clean up your bedroom. That's the biggest mess of all. Ooh, so let's look at the pictures. What items do you think are going to be heavy and Dad's going to have to carry? What items are going to be light and Maddie can carry? I see some big books. Looks like marbles. Which one's going to be heavier, the books or the marbles? Yeah, the books. Good. Okay, let's keep reading. I'll take this big box of books, said Dad. It's so heavy I can hardly lift it. These 2 books are light, said Maddie. I can carry them. Your piggy bank is small, said Dad, but it must be full because it is heavy. This pillow is big, but it's very light. I can handle it, said Maddie proudly. So yeah, boys and girls, it doesn't matter what size something is, it has to do with the weight. So look, the piggy bank is smaller than the pillow, but it's harder to carry. So it is heavier. It weighs more. Before long, all of Maddie's toys were in her room. You have to do the rest, Maddie, said Dad. Fill up these boxes with your toys and call me when you're finished. I'll lift them onto your closet shelf. They'll be very heavy for you. Boys, said Maddie, this is one huge mess. It looks like a job for Mighty Maddie. She's her own superhero. You better stay out of the way, Teeny and Jumbo, said Mighty Maddie. You're nice and light, Teeny, but you're so heavy, Jumbo. Oh, look, Teeny and Jumbo. Teeny is her doggy, and Jumbo is her cat. This dump truck is heavy, groaned Mighty Maddie. But this fire truck is even heavier. My ballerina tutu is very light, she added, but these feathers are even lighter. You better hurry up, Maddie, Mom called from downstairs. Your friends will be here any minute. Mighty Maddie cleaned up faster than anybody had ever cleaned up before. Oh, look, she has all her toys and she's saying if it's heavy or light. Her dollhouse heavy, her train heavy, this other train heavier. Ooh, she's got her own whiteboard and it's heavy. Pencils are light. Her stuffed animal dog is light, or bear. And this one is even lighter. Mom, Dad, Maddie called. I'm all done. Mom and Dad came up to see. Amazing, said Dad. You not only finished in time, but you moved those boxes with your heavy toys in them all by yourself. You really are mighty Maddie. Just then, the doorbell rang. Mighty smart, said mighty Maddie. Uh-oh, did she follow the directions? No, she was supposed to put the toys in the boxes and she hid them under the bed. She says that's smart, but I think that's being sneaky. Let's see what happens next. Happy birthday! Oh, and look, on the cake, there's a picture of mighty Maddie. It must have been her birthday, and that's why she was having to clean up all her toys, huh? The end. Good job, boys and girls. I hoped you liked our story about mighty Maddie and learning about things that are heavy and light. Watch the next video to learn more about your assignment for today.